Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture right now is visible on your screen. Once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now, first time around it gives us this info that we can also capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down, and then it actually proceeds to capturing the screenshot anyway. So just to try this once more without the actual notification, so there we go. Now here you have two options. You have scroll and share options. The scroll is grayed out because there's nothing to scroll down on. But if you have something, for instance, like your settings, where you can continuously scroll down, or maybe some Instagram or whatever, you could utilize this option to just continuously capture longer and longer version of a screenshot as a single screenshot. Now once you have captured your image, you can find it in your AI gallery application right in here. And under albums, you'll find an album called Screenshots. And here you can see there are the 2 screenshots that I've captured on the video. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.